So we decided to bring Caroline on her first fishing trip this morning. So hopefully we can get her on a fish. It'd be pretty funny to put something on the channel of my little one smoking all of us, seeing that we haven't been able to catch fish. So say hey, say hi.
I got my fishing hook.
Yeah, it's our fishing pole with your fishing hook on it. All right.
I got it, Dad. I got it. Ready, Dad? You hold my fishing hook.
All right.
Wait.
Okay, let me see.
Like that.
Got us a little spot set up down here. Got her umbrella because she was freaking out because of the rain.
Go fishing. Dad, can I have my fishing hook?
I'm gonna cast it out there for you, okay? All right, sit down. Okay, so watch, come here. Come here. You see your bobber out there in the water?
Yeah.
All right, you gotta sit down, sit down. So you sit there and we watch the bobber until it goes down. And then when it goes down, you're gonna set the hook. I'll tell you what, Daddy will help you. Daddy will set the hook on it. And after I set the hook, then you get to reel it in, okay?
Okay. Dad, can I have my fishing hook? Dad, look, there's a boulder.
Yeah, it's called a bobber.
Daddy, look, there's a fish. There's fish. They're far away. Daddy, there's probably cool fish over there. Dad, it's getting close.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
It's getting close.
It's
to
okay.
me.
It's okay.
It's getting close to me.
It's okay. Trying to catch you a fish.
Can I have one? So are we bringing one out?
I gotta adjust your bobber, so we're gonna move your bobber up some.
Dad, don't get this. See? Daddy, look. This one.
Okay.
Can I get up with you? It's far away.
Yep.
Can I have it? Can I have my fishing net?
Yep. You gotta come over here. Come right here.
Can I have it?
Yeah. All right. Sit down.
Okay.
Don't get too close. No, you gotta sit over here. You gotta sit over here because your bobber's out in front of you, which it keeps drifting, so I might have to move it again.
That was the fishes. There's fishes in
Yeah.
there. Dad, look, there's fishes in there.
Don't get close to the water. Back up. Remember what I told you. You gotta listen to what I tell you. I don't want you to fall in the water.
Dad, can I color it? Dad, it's getting close to me. It's raining. Dad, can I have my fishing hook?
Yep. Stand right here. All right. You gotta watch your bobber. Now when your little bobber, when it goes under the water, what you want to do is you want to take, don't reel it. No, don't reel it yet. You don't reel it yet. So see how it's sitting? When it goes underwater, you gotta snatch it back. But not yet. You gotta watch it.
There's fishes.
Yeah, there's fishy in here.
Daddy, find it? Daddy, look. This one. Dad, can I roll you now? Dad, can I roll now?
No,
Is this a fishy?
you can't reel it yet. You gotta wait for a fishy to get on there, which you can reel in a little bit of slack.
Can I do that? Can I do that?
Alright, leave it right there. Leave it right there.
Do you want to see a fish? Oh, there's a fish there.
Yeah.
I see one. Whoa, get back. There's a bug.
It's okay. It's okay. There's gonna be bugs.
There's could be bugs out here.
Here, let me cast it back out there.
Daddy, look! My bar's come back.
Yeah.
Daddy's wet.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, there's a shadow. Wow. It's far away. Thank you, Daddy. Can I do it now? Can I do it now, Dad?
Don't reel it yet. Don't reel it. You gotta wait for the bobber to go under. And you gotta keep the nose of the rod down there.
Dad, water. What, Daddy, what?
Yeah.
Dad, my bar is far away.
Yep, it's supposed to be. If it's up close, the fishy won't come to it because the fishy's scared of you.
Oh, me?
Yep, the fishy's scared of everyone.
Okay. Oh, there's a fish holder. Hey, look, there's a fish.
Yep.
There's a fish. Got a bell and this net.
Watch.
Dad, can I do that?
Wait.
Daddy, come back.
Yep, something ate your worm.
Go, Daddy, come on.
Yep, something ate your worm. See, there's just a little bit left. So what you do, see these little right here? See, that's worm.
Can
That's
I
a
get
worm.
them? Can I take that one?
So what you do is you gotta hook the worm.
Hook the worm.
Yep, you gotta hook the worm.
Okay.
Just like this. Once you hook the worm, the worm's good. You want to put the lid back on there, and then you're ready to throw it back out.
My waffle's still.
Okay.
Dad, there's an ant. Dad, can I fish too?
Yeah, I got it. Oh man, here we go. Okay.
Can I reel it? No.
Hold it. No, don't reel it. Watch your bobber. You gotta watch it.
You gotta watch it, please. Dad, this is my drill hook. Dad, somebody eat my worm. Dad, somebody eat my worm.
It's supposed to. Watch your bobber.
It's going under the water.
Not yet.
phone order. It's far away, Dad. Dad, where's our house?
Our house is that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Well, we are catching a big fish. But where's your fishing hut? Where's your fishing hut?
My fishing hook's in the truck. Alright, let me see this.
It's in the water. Come on. Dad, can I put children on it? Dad, it's far away.
Yep. Okay, hold it. Hold it.
Can I reel it?
Not yet. Don't worry, I'll let you know when you can reel it, okay?
There's fishies.
Yeah, there's little tiny fishies.
Fishies, come to my hut.
You gotta say, here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Fishy, here!
Don't be so mean.
Mom, Daddy, I tried to get the fishies to come to my hut.
Yeah,
There's a fishy.
don't worry, we're gonna catch you a fish. It might not be today, but we'll catch you a fish.
I got it coming out. Fishy! Come to my hut.
Hold it, hold it. You gotta hold your rod. You gotta hold it with both hands.
Can I reel it?
Not yet, you gotta wait. Gotta wait for a fish to get on.
Daddy, know what sound did the elephant make?
What sound?
I don't know. Daddy, you know what the pig say?
Wink, wink.
Oink, oink. Dad, someone eat my worm. Someone ate my worm.
Don't worry, we're gonna try to catch what ate your worm, okay?
Dad, can you give me another worm?
There's a worm on there already.
Dad, can you help me reel it again?
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh man, it wasn't on there. I'll tell you what. Follow Dad.
I will follow you.
Yep.
I will follow you.
I'm gonna get Daddy's fishing pole and we're gonna hook it up and I'm gonna cast it way out there so we can catch something big.
Dad, I can.
And when it gets on Daddy's pole, when it gets on Daddy's hook, I'll let you reel it in, okay? I'll have to help you hold it.
Dad, look. There's something older. There's a fishy order.
Yep.